All right, so hello everybody, and we are going to do that activity that counts as a test grade for transcription and translation. We were going to do it at school. We're just going to do it at home. It's super simple. I just want to walk you through. So, purpose. We are going to see how the genes on a chromosome determine the characteristics of an organism. Basically, you look the way you do because of your DNA. We know that. And we're going to simulate transcription and translation from a DNA template. So everything that you did on that worksheet yesterday, we're just going to turn around and do it again. You can read this procedure on your own. I'm going to go to the data tables. So the first step is to transcribe DNA to mRNA, okay? And in that, we always pair A with U and G with C. There is no T in mRNA. And they are in groups of 3, which are called codons. So A always goes with U, C always goes with G, C always goes with G. C, C, A, U, A. Okay. I would change the color of this so that we can differentiate. Now, the mRNA is what we use and what we translate into the amino acid sequence. That's how we get our protein. But we use a tRNA molecule. It's like a carrier molecule. It's like if you were moving something from one end of a parking lot to another, or like if you were doing a big garden and you used a forklift to move the big bags of mulch from your driveway to the garden. So the tRNA is your forklift. It's going to carry the mulch, and in this case, the mulch is each amino acid, over to the garden so that you can build a big, beautiful, vegetable garden. Okay. tRNA is complementary to mRNA, which means it's the opposite. And what's interesting is you can actually just copy and paste the DNA sequence on your tRNA. I would change the color to show that it's different. But there's one rule. You have to change all of the T's to U's. Now, we need to come up with the amino acid sequence, and we use the mRNA for it. So the first one is UGG. The first codon is UGG. So you're going to come down here and look up what UGG is. UGG, tryptophan. Okay? You can use any of the codon charts I gave you. TRP. I think that's what it's abbreviated as. TRP? Sure. Okay, the next one is GGU. Just kidding. It's CCA. Sorry, I keep looking at the purple. UGG and then CCA. So come down here. CCA is proline. So you write PRO. And then the last one is AUA. Using the mRNA sequence, AUA. AUA is isoleucine. ISO. Now, if you're going to get confused scrolling up and down, you can certainly write the codons down, write the mRNA down on a piece of paper and use it down here with the charts, because you can use this chart or you can use this chart. Okay, they give you the same answers. It's just, do you like to look at a circle and work your way out like C, C, C? Or do you want to start over here and go C, C, and then C, C, C would be right there. It's up to you. Okay, and the last step is you are going to look up the traits. So it's tryptophan, proline, isoleucine. And let's go down here and see what we've got. Tryptophan, proline, isoleucine. So you have walks upright on 2 legs. And so you write that trait here. Walks upright on 2 legs. So when you draw your monster, the monster is going to walk upright on 2 legs. And you do that for all of these, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then you draw your organism, and then you answer these post-lab questions. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I think this should be helpful to you. And it's a test grade, easy 100.